Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove your default clothes in your Roblox from your avatar. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to head to your browser, and then from here you're going to search for roblox.com, and then you're simply going to sign into your account. Then you're going to go to the left section and then go to avatar. And then from here, you can see your avatar right here. So you're going to go to recent and then go to all. Then you're going to deselect any type of clothing that you are wearing and you don't want anymore. So for example, just like that. Then from here, go to head and body and then go to torso. And as you can see, you have different types. Well, you can choose the skin tone, which will allow for you access to every single different type of body part and what certain color. If I choose brown, for example, or red, then it shows like this. But you can go to advanced and then select each specific one. If I want a different shirt, I'll simply select blue. But if I want it to be fully, then it's going to be white, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.